This is geometry release question number 34 for the CST release questions. It says that figure ABCD is a kite. So here's ABCD. We know some things about kites from before. We can use those properties here. What is the area of figure ABCD in square centimeters? So it looks like they expect you to know this formula. The formula though was that the area is 1/2 of the diagonals multiplied together. So 1/2 D1 times D2. To help you remember that, you can think of a large rectangle kind of going around the outside of this kite, and notice that this triangle and this triangle are congruent. This one and this one are congruent. This one and this one are congruent. And this one and this one are congruent. So each one of these smaller triangles is half the area of the smaller rectangles. So the whole thing would be half the area of this larger rectangle. And then this larger rectangle would have a dimension or dimensions of D1, diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So it should make sense that it's 1/2 of the diagonals multiplied together based on that. So one of the diagonals would be 8 plus 8. I'll write it like that to start. 8 plus 8 would be one of the diagonals. The other diagonal would be 6 plus 15. I'm just using this and this. I'm using this and this and adding them together. 6 plus 15 right there. That would be 1/2 of 16 times 21. Half of 16 is 8. And so you have 8 times 21. 8 times 20 is 160. Another 8 added to that would be 168. No units included, so that right there is my final answer. Choice C for number 34.